Somebody in the Netherlands pointed a camera at the sky every 15 seconds for an entire year. Then they stacked it all into a single image. And what came out looks like an hourglass made of night. Here's the whole image at once. The vertical axis is time. January at the top, December at the bottom. The horizontal axis is the clock, midnight sitting just left of center. That big black shape in the middle, that's every night of 2025. The blue on either side, daytime. You're literally looking at a year of sky compressed into one picture. The technique is called a keogram, originally invented to track the aurora, and it works by slicing a single column of pixels from each sky photo and lining them up side by side. Look up here near the top. That's January. The black band of night is really wide, stretching from roughly 8 in the evening all the way to past 8 in the morning. Long winter nights in the Netherlands. Now look at those lighter horizontal stripes running through the dark. There are 12 of them across the whole year. Each one is a full moon. The moon was bright enough to wash the all-sky camera with a pale glow, even at 2 in the morning, and you can see it right here, a slightly brighter bar cutting across an otherwise dark night. Now look at the upper portion of this view, right around June. See how the black hourglass pinches down to almost nothing? That's the summer solstice. Tonight, actually, June 21st, is the longest day of the year for the Northern Hemisphere. The sun barely dips below the horizon at this latitude. The window of true darkness shrinks to just a few hours. That waste in the hourglass is measuring something real. The tilt of Earth on its axis, 23.5 degrees, doing its quiet annual work. And look down at the bottom, autumn sliding into December. The hourglass fans back out wide again, nights getting longer, mornings arriving later. If you look carefully near the very top of this view, somewhere around late April or May, you can spot a subtle shift in where daytime and nighttime split. Earlier in the year, around late March, is the spring equinox, day and night nearly equal, the hourglass at exactly half its maximum width, the whole rhythm of Earth's year, written in light and dark by one camera, one rooftop, 15-second intervals. One person, one camera, 1 year. And somehow, the shape that falls out of all that patience is an hourglass, which feels almost too perfect. The instrument for measuring time ended up drawing itself inside the data. Every stripe of moonlight, every pinch of summer, every wide-open winter night, it was all happening above you too, on the same nights, under the same sky. We'll be here tomorrow with whatever the selector pulls next. Subscribe so you don't have to remember to come back.